Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm very excited. I've got a brand new launch here. This is Style Society from Raquel Welch in the color Shaded Iced Pumpkin Spice. When Raquel Welch launched the three styles, it was Heard It All, Let's Rendezvous, and Style Society. The other two were sent out right away. But this one just took a little bit longer, and it just surprised me yesterday when I received it. I do have to thank Andrea and Wig Studio One for providing Style Society so I could review it for you. And also, obviously, on the Wig Studio One channel, and I will be doing that as well. But I had to do the unboxing for you so you could all see it. I have not opened the box. When it showed up yesterday, I was like, wow, I'm so excited. Hair You Wear is about 2 hours away from me when I'm here in Kansas. So they shipped it. I got the notification that I had something coming from Hair You Wear, and I wasn't sure what it was. And it showed up the very next day. Yeah, it helps when you're like 2 hours away. And I'm about 4 hours away from Ellen Villa. All right, so let's take a look. I have never worn this color. Never worn this color. We will see. This is a cool color, even though it's red. From my understanding is that it has maybe some blonde in it, I think, or a more subdued color, which gives it that cool look. Okay. And here it is in the box. Oh, this color is gorgeous. Oh yeah. And you all know that I'm adventurous, so of course, I don't choose the color. When Wig Studio One sends me a new release to review, I don't choose the color. I don't choose the style either, for that matter. They send me whatever they want, and I am always a happy camper. It doesn't matter what it is. All right, we have to start off with an extended lace. You have a full monofilament top. We have the Memory 3 cap, which I love because it just molds to your head. And we have an extended nape, Velcro adjusters. Oh yeah, and of course the wonderful True to Life fibers. Personally, I love them. I'm wearing actually a Raquel Welch. I'm wearing Well Played and Shaded Cappuccino. I'm just shaking it out. I just love this style. Absolutely love it. I cannot tell you how often I have worn this particular style. It's already, I need to run the flat iron. I need to do the ends. But I think I must have worn this maybe 10 times, 15 times at like 8 hours a day because I love it and I wear it. The number on Shaded Iced Pumpkin Spice is RL2933SS. I'll tell you what the description says, and then I'll tell you what I see. The description says that this is a strawberry blonde shaded with a brunette. Okay, what I see is a medium auburn as the base, and then I'm seeing light auburn highlights, and I'm seeing some very light pale ash blonde just sprinkled throughout. They're very fine, so I don't think my camera is going to pick it up. It is an absolutely gorgeous color. All right, enough. Now I need to try her on. I'm not going to move the adjusters at all. We'll see how, I'll just leave them the way they are, and then I'll let you know if I need to cinch them in or if it works just the way it is. I don't like these styles with the center part, so I am going to move the part over since we have a full monofilament. I'm going to move it over to the left. It's not going to want to go to the left, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, what gorgeous waves. Beautiful. Look at these beautiful highlights. Well, right framing the face and the lace front. I'll probably need to cinch it in a bit. I've got a 21.75 circumference. The ear tab come right here, and here is my hairline. So you'll get good coverage if you do not have the low hairline as I do. It is wanting to fall in my face, but as you can see, I'm just twisting it and it stays. I always do that with these. I think these heat-friendly fibers, I can manipulate them a little bit better, and they stay better than if I'm working with the traditional fibers. I don't know. Maybe it's just because I prefer these fibers. Most of my wigs are HD. But as you can see, I'm not doing too much to it. I would need to get some root powder the same color to cover here, because the root is really not as dark as my own hair. It's there's not that many layers here. We have a front of 11 inches. My face from hairline to chin is almost 8 inches. So what we have in the front is 11 inches. Then we have the crown, the sides, and the nape all at 13 inches. So there's really no layering here. We just have really pretty waves. Nice movement. I don't know if I would want to add any styling to it. I just love the way it looks, just the way it is. But, you know, it's not about me. It's about what you would like. So we could hold it up with a clip. We could add a headband. Could add a ponytail, and we could make it up in a bun. And of course, because these are heat-friendly fibers, if you wanted to use a flat iron or something because you want to do further training, you can certainly do that. I don't know. You tell me what you think. I think it's a really pretty style. Really pretty, especially if you like these long feminine waves. I think that this one is gorgeous. I think they did a nice job with it. It fits nicely. We don't have any permatease to speak of. We have a little bit at the nape. Not much. And the density, I would say, it's got a good amount of density. I would say it's medium to higher density. It's certainly not low density. We have a lot of hair here, but I don't think it's so abundant that it's difficult to manage. I think it's very manageable. I'm not a high density girl, and I would certainly be wearing this style. Very, very pretty. All right, let's take a walk outside so you can see Shaded Iced Pumpkin Spice out in the daylight, and then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I will leave the link to Style Society. I will leave it linked down in my description box so you could go over to Wig Studio One and you can check out this beautiful style that's available in many other colors. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.